It's Teresa from Dodge Nature Center, and time for another Nature to Go. Minnesota, land of 10,000 lakes. And when you start looking around those 10,000 lakes, there's so many different kinds of plants and animals, and especially birds. And maybe if you've been at Dodge or a pond near you, you might have noticed this strange small bird and wondered what exactly we're looking at. And that's what we're going to talk about today. I'd like to introduce you to the green heron. Unlike the great blue heron that stands tall with those long legs, green herons are a short bird. They have short legs, and their bodies are stocky. They're about the size of a crow. Looking at it, you can see it has beautiful brown neck and chest area. The head is dark, and the back looks black, but it's actually iridescent. You're most likely to spot green herons close to the shoreline. They don't go deep into the water because they have short legs. So they hang out right at the edge, and that's where they're going to stalk their prey. Now, what do they like to eat? Green herons are carnivores. So they're not going to be eating any plant material. They're going after predominantly fish. So they'll go after minnows and sunfish, perch, goldfish, but they'll eat other kinds of things too, like insects and spiders, maybe snails, tadpoles, worms, crayfish, leeches, even small mice. But green herons aren't just waiting for the fish to show up. They actually go fishing and use bait. What they'll do is drop insects or feathers, or if they find breadcrumbs, they find something, they'll drop it on the surface of the water that draws the fish to come there and feed, and then they can capture the fish and eat them themselves. Most of the time, we see them with their neck pulled in, so they have that sort of stocky look about them, but occasionally they'll stretch their neck out as they're looking around. They can do this while they're flying as well. Green herons, a really interesting bird that we only have here in our area during the summertime. So grab a pair of binoculars, head out to your nearest pond, and look around for this mysterious little bird that's really quite interesting. Thanks for joining me for this episode of Nature to Go, and we'll talk to you again next time.